Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you still paying hundreds of dollars every year for Adobe Acrobat just to edit or convert PDFs? Today, we're reviewing the UPDF Pro Lifetime Deal, available now on Stack Social. UPDF isn't just another PDF reader. It's a full-featured cross-platform editor that works on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. With their new 2.0 upgrade in 2025, UPDF brings a sleek redesign, tons of editing tools, and even AI-powered features. Let's break down what makes UPDF stand out. Edit PDFs with ease. Change text, adjust fonts and colors, swap images, or add links. No more locked PDFs you can't touch. Annotate like a pro. Highlight, underline, add sticky notes, shapes, stamps, even freehand drawings. Perfect for students, professionals, or team collaboration. AI-powered assistant. Although the AI add-on is sold separately, UPDF integrates with GPT 4.1 and DeepSeek. That means you can chat with your PDF, get summaries, translations, and even turn documents into mind maps. OCR technology, scan or import images, then instantly convert them into searchable and editable text, supporting 38 languages. Format conversions. Export your PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, HTML, or even CSV files. Organization tools. Reorder, split, rotate, crop, or merge pages. You can also batch process multiple PDFs at once, saving massive amounts of time. Security and forms. Add passwords, create fillable forms, sign documents digitally, and even redact sensitive info. UPDF Cloud. Sync your files across devices so you can pick up right where you left off. Early users have praised UPDF for being feature-rich, user-friendly, and affordable. Tech sites like 9to5Mac and Apple Insider even called it a true alternative to Adobe Acrobat at just a fraction of the price. Normally, UPDF Pro costs $149, but through Stack Social, you can lock in a lifetime subscription for only $59. And if you use the coupon code DROP20, you can slash that price even further. You can install it on up to 4 devices, 2 desktops, and 2 mobile devices, with lifetime updates included. I've dropped the deal link in the description so you can grab it before it's gone. Thanks for watching. If you want more SaaS and lifetime deal reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe.